go get Mom! Joey, go help Mom!
Your dogs are in the water!
Here for Nicole, please. Go now.
Good thing?
We need an umbrella for this thing.
There's a couple in the garage.
Oh, I was looking for him. I didn't see him.
That's not gonna ruin the camera, is it?
Yeah.
We split off the snow. Yeah, just kind of ease. There you go.
Would you like a little push off, baby?
Yeah, once you get in,
You're getting in with this thing? You want your... How to do? Chef for a nice little stroll in the kayak on our road. Man, I wish there were fish in here. I wonder how deep it is. About 2 feet deep at least. Joey, you idiot! Joey's gonna freeze. It's like 2 feet deep, I think, most of the way across.
Okay. Should've went around, bud.
Okay, so me and Joey are back in the house. She was freezing like crazy because she was dumb and went swimming. And it's so cold out. So, I had a blanket to us to stay warm. Joey, how do you feel? Would have been a lot funner for the summer, huh? Joey could have swam a bunch. Are you just gonna go take a nap? Got lunch today here in Nebraska. I'll show you guys the view from upstairs. Are you coming, Joey? Come on. Come on, Joey. Here, I'll give you a treat. What? Come here. Here, come on, I got another one. Let's go. Let's go upstairs, Joey. Come on. Want this one? Let's see what's upstairs now. Come on. Come on! Come on! Do you want me to take the blanket off? Okay. There you go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Okay. So this is what we woke up to when we looked out our window this morning. Oh, roads are muddy. Real muddy. Let's go out there kayaking. Joey's supposed to walk out. Hi, Joey. There you go. Alright. See you guys later.